Max and the Golden Feather. Max was a curious boy who loved to collect strange things. He had jars of shiny stones, shelves full of colorful leaves, and even a box of tiny bird feathers. But one day, he found something that would change his life. It happened in the forest near his house. Max was walking along his favorite trail when he saw something gleaming on the ground. It was a feather, but not just any feather. It was gold. Max picked it up and gasped. The feather was warm to the touch and sparkled like the sun. This must be special, he thought. He decided to take it home. That night, as Max was lying in bed, he heard a soft voice. "Thank you for finding my feather," the voice said. Max sat up, startled. "Who's there?" "I am the golden bird," the voice said. A glowing golden bird appeared by his window. Its feathers shimmered like stars. "This feather is part of my magic," the bird explained. "If you wish for something kind, I can make it happen. But only once." Max thought carefully. "I wish for my town to be happy. Many people here are sad because they don't have enough food or warm clothes." The golden bird tilted its head. "A kind wish indeed," it said. It flapped its glowing wings, and suddenly golden light filled the room. The next morning, Max woke up to the sound of laughter. He ran outside and saw the streets filled with joy. Trees in the town were covered with fruit, and golden coins sparkled in the fountains. People were sharing food and gifts, smiling like never before. The golden feather had brought happiness to everyone. Max kept the feather in a safe place, always remembering the lesson: kindness can make the world shine.